Teacher, teacher. The teacher explains the lesson to the class. The teacher explains the lesson to the class. Type, noun. Usage, a person who helps students learn. A student, a student. The student studies hard for the test. The student studies hard for the test. Type, noun. Usage, a person who attends school to learn. Classroom, classroom. The classroom is full of desks and chairs. The classroom is full of desks and chairs. Type, noun. Usage, a room where students learn with their teacher. Homework, homework. She finishes her homework after dinner. She finishes her homework after dinner. Type, noun. Usage, a schoolwork assigned to be done at home. Desk, desk. Each student has a desk in the classroom. Each student has a desk in the classroom. Type, noun. Usage, a table used by students for writing and studying. Book, book. I have a new book for science class. I have a new book for science class. Type, noun. Usage, used for reading and learning. Blackboard, blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard. Type, noun. Usage, a large board for writing with chalk, used by teachers. School bus, school bus. The school bus picks them up at 8 a.m. The school bus picks them up at 8 a.m. Type, noun. Usage, a bus that takes students to and from school. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.